Morning guys, welcome back to week 2 of Ramadan vlogs. I'm headed for a shoot right now. I'm pretty late. I haven't done my lip color. Probably do that in the car, but I did like a quick makeup look. We're shooting abayas for Rara, so I'm excited to go see that. I have a pair of shoes that are missing and I can't seem to find them. I don't know why. Okay, sawa. So my car is here and I'm gonna start heading out and getting to where I'm supposed to be. I'm headed to Parklands Coffee Casa. I've never been to that restaurant. This is my first day I'm headed there, so pretty excited actually. Guys, so I left school. What time is it? It's 3:40 and I came to Nyalinzuri and I got a nice manicure done. I couldn't do it last time because I was hurt, and now that I'm perfectly healed, I got a manicure, mani-pedi, which my feet needed it so much. My feet look so good and smooth and soft. Getting my nails done. Last night I didn't vlog that much because after the shoot I went to school, came back, and then basically was knackered throughout the whole day. But now I'm getting my nails done. So I just wrapped up with my hands. They look so shiny. Fam, I've never buffed my fingernails before and they've done it today for the first time, and it looks like I have clear polish on, so you can imagine how good that is. Anyway, I just finished up. I'm gonna see what else I have to do. I've seen a really nice pair of boots at Mr. Price and I'm so tempted to get them, but we'll see. Hey guys, a little update. So today is Thursday. I know I didn't vlog much the day before yesterday and yesterday only because I've been super busy. So on Tuesday I had a shoot, and then Wednesday, yesterday, I went to like a mani-pedi session at Nyalinzuri. You guys should definitely check out their services. So I just got back home from school a bit early. I might say it's like I got back like 5:30, but it's like 5:50. So I just wanted us to catch up. So week 2 has been okay. I haven't been fasting like majority of this week, obviously due to obvious reasons. So what do I have planned for this week? I think I'm going in for a body massage tomorrow, maybe at 10 a.m. I'm not sure yet. Depends on how I can handle my schoolwork because I'm a little bit behind. And then tomorrow, on Saturday, I have an iftar dinner thing that I'm going to, and I'm going to bring you guys with me. It's going to be fun. A lot of people that I know are going to be there, so it's going to be something interesting, fun. I get to do like my makeup for the first time in a long time, which is exciting. I'm wearing a Breaking Bad t-shirt, although I haven't even watched the series. T-shirt. I'm gonna do a haul because I've been to Toy a couple of times. I got a nice jacket, I got a nice pair of shoes. You guys, my school being next to Toy is it's not a good thing. It's a very bad thing because I'm spending a lot of money on there. I just pass by and I'm like, that looks cute, I want it. Anyway, I'm talking about this scarf. It's very Versace like print. Tell me how pretty this is. You can find it at Rara Design on Instagram. And then it's a square scarf. I know square scarves have been coming in a lot lately, so I'm glad printed scarves are actually coming back, and I don't have that many. Like all my scarves are plain colors, majority black or nude, so I'm excited to start like incorporating a little bit of prints and patterns. It's a very soft cotton fabric as well. Let me go get the belt that I got. So This is so hard. I need to like bend down. Okay, so this is the belt I got from Waikiki. I've been trying to... Okay, so quick catch up. I like bum bags, like the fanny packs that everyone wears, but I don't think they look good on me. I like it on other people, but I feel like for me they look a bit too like they look bulky, considering I'm so petite. I don't know. I never liked the way... I never liked them. So I've been trying to find an alternative that I would still rock the style, but in a more fun, like edgier way. And I got this stunning belt from Waikiki at Junction. They opened a new branch at Junction, and I must say, like, the clothes selection at Junction is very high end. Like, a lot of the pieces reminded me of pieces from like Zara and Mango. It's like a similar vibe. But yeah, which is new because I never thought of Waikiki having that style of clothes. You know, the branches I've been to, the Hub and Two Rivers, my mind's like so all over the place, but the clothes was in that type of vibe. And when I went to the new one at the Junction Mall, that's the vibe I was getting. But basically it's just like a croc skin belt. You guys know how much I love my croc skin. And then this closed real quick. This would look so pretty like with my blazers. I can't wait, guys. Like, I can't wait. My blazers game is about to change. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Okay, it comes with like a nice little pouch. How stunning is this? So yeah, I got this. The belt goes for I think about $8.50, $8.90, and I was like, you know, I might get it. I also wanted to get a pair of boots from Mr. Price, but I didn't. I said it's not something I need. I'm just doing this out of impulse. I'm not getting them. To charity. Also, before I forget, oh my god, I want to tell you guys, please vote for me. I was recently nominated for Bake Awards Vlog of the Year, which for me is so surreal. Like, I didn't even know people like watch my videos like that. I don't know, it was so surreal. So I'm going to leave the link down below in the description box. I would really appreciate if you guys voted for me, or actually just any other female you guys really enjoy, like all the other women that I was nominated with. I watch all of them: Wahura, Sharon, Nancy. I enjoy their content, so I'm a big fan. If I wasn't on that list, I'd probably vote for one of them. So I would suggest, please vote for me, and also please vote for the women that you support, that you want to see win and everything. So yeah, I'd really appreciate that. I want to make pancakes for iftar today, so I'm going to bring you guys with me. We have condensed milk, and we have Nutella, and we have grapes, so I'm going to try making something with that. So basically what the recipe requires is, let me know what in there because it's dark: flour, 1 egg, baking powder, sugar, salt, all that good stuff, milk. So I'm just gonna do that quickly and hopefully like time lapse through it so you guys don't get to stick with the boring parts. And so my batter is ready. This is like the easiest recipe. It takes like 5 minutes, and then you also need to have like a non-stick pan. I feel like that's what gives you like the best results, obviously, like it doesn't stick to the pan. So we're gonna get to cooking. So the pancakes are done. They look quite fluffy and nice. I have 2 batches and it's a little more getting done, but I just want to dress mine. I have condensed milk, and I want to put like crushed almonds on top just for like flavoring and crunch, and probably some grapes after, but I really like condensed milk. There we have it. This looks so good. I put some almonds, some grapes, and now to devour this. Hey guys, so it's late in the evening. As you can probably tell, like the sun is literally setting, and I just got back home. I changed. I want to put on a face mask. I feel like I haven't done that in a hot second actually, and we haven't had one of our like bathroom sessions. It's so echoey, so I'm just gonna open the door. These L'Oreal masks have been the rave. Okay, everyone's been talking about them. Everyone's been, you know, saying how cool they are and all that stuff. They come in like 3 colors. Like there's the green one, the black charcoaly one, and then there's the red one. This is the glow mask. I decided to try the glow one. The other one's detox, and I figured I have like the Aztec one, so same thing basically. I actually really like the packaging. It comes in this cute glass bottle. This is brightens and exfoliates. It does have a scent. It's scented. Well, it smells like, I don't know if you guys have tried these Korean face masks, not the sheet ones. Doing this with a hijab on is really hard. So I'm gonna come back once I'm done. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna wait for it to dry as I put every other piece. I'm not trying to waste this mask. It does go for like 1400, which I feel like would last you a very long time. But if I don't see you guys like now, like later tonight, I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning, happy weekend. Today is Saturday. I can't believe the weeks are running by so quickly. I feel like this week went so quickly, but probably not my favorite week because I was just having a hard time. I felt really exhausted at school. Like I was having a hard time like reading and doing schoolwork and all that stuff. But today's Saturday, thank God. The other day on Instagram, I talked about modest fashion, and that's a topic that's very obviously concerns me, because being a hijabi, obviously I have to dress modestly. And something I've realized is a lot of like these Kenyan stores do not cater to us hijabis, which sometimes like kind of sad, because I would go into a shop, for example, I'll go into Mr. Price, and the only thing I usually buy off of Mr. Price, to be honest, are just shoes and maybe sunglasses. Like that's the only thing I'd ever get from there, because the clothes are not really hijabi friendly, you know what I mean? Like I could find like a nice long skirt but it has like a slit all the way up. I could find a nice top but it's like has a cutout at the back, or you know, just like yikes, I'm sorry, just like these small things. So I did pose this question on my IG story, and a lot of people had a lot to say. From my point of view, I feel like it's very hard finding clothes that are suitable for us. I feel like everyone knows by now there's a really high percentage of Muslims living in Kenya. You know, why not just include us? We should be part of the target audience is all I'm trying to say. Because the fact that modest clothing is so hard to find, the brands that do sell modest clothing, which are like small upcoming brands or like brands that are just dedicated to modest clothing and aren't like a fast fashion brand, the clothes are quite pricey, you know. Modest fashion is expensive and it shouldn't be like that. It's so rare that they treat it like a luxury item. For example, they'd be selling abayas for like 15k, they'd be selling abayas for like 30k. It doesn't honestly make sense. Like I'm just trying to look good but on a budget. I don't know what these people want. Anyway, yeah, I've just been thinking about that. So let me know what you guys think about modest fashion. It's quite sad knowing for me to actually look good, I have to put in like thrice the effort, because I need to like, layer a bunch of stuff, see if this would look good together and all that stuff. So I feel like that's a very hard thing when it comes to shopping. What else? Yeah, but right now I just want to edit a video. I want to do some reading. I haven't even started my project, to be honest. But tonight I even need to text Dida. Actually, she's coming with me for this iftar thingy, so I need to text her and remind her. So you guys will probably see her tonight. That's me right now. So I just came back home and I decided to put on the face mask that I put on like last night. I really like the glow it gave me. It really is a glow mask. I'm gonna give this mask a couple of more tries, and then I can give you my verdict. But so far I really liked it. So I'm just gonna let this mask sit for a while, then I'm gonna take a nice shower, and then get ready. I still don't know what I'm gonna wear for the iftar thing. I'm so excited for this dinner actually, because a lot of my friends are gonna be going. A lot of girls I haven't seen in a while, so it'll be like a nice iftar reunion. Guys, so I was supposed to show you guys the process of me getting ready, but I couldn't. I got so held.
Yeah.
I got so held up, but I'm finally reunited with Bae. If you guys keep on to...
You know, well, he had me told that we have to take him to hellfire. And the angel from Jannah comes and they say, no, we have to take him. It's called venting now, it's not even called complaining now. But contrary to popular belief, venting is not like...
Assalamu alaikum, guys.
Back and forth, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala steps in and he tells them, okay, you know what?
Guys, we've been taking photos this whole time and I didn't even have, like, I knew I had my camera, but we've been using the phone and the lighting was so pathetic. Where's it to Sam? Say hi.
Hi.
Have you been? Long time since you were on this channel.
Yeah, long time since last saw you and we're neighbors.
Anyway, we're here at Savannah. And there's Dida. There's Itzy. There's Hayabas here.
I don't know what I'm doing with my fingers.
This place is so pretty. What's up, guys? Another day, another mask. So today is Sunday and I am just chilling with the face mask on. Honestly, after I came back last night, I was actually knackered, took my makeup off, went to bed straight. I have some schoolwork that I want to deal with, but we don't have Wi-Fi, so I don't know how possible that's gonna be. The reason why I've been doing face masks lately is my face has been breaking out. I have no idea why. Probably stress, I don't know, but it's been breaking out and I'm here trying to do damage control before Eid gets here, because you know we're all trying to have that glowing or natural skin on Eid. Like I said, obviously I'm trying to like reduce the amount of makeup I wear, and that highly depends on how my skin is looking, you know what I mean? So I'm really trying to work in my skin. But yeah, don't worry, these masks are not like really harsh or really stripping and whatnot. I make sure probably if I do a mask like this that's quite drying, I would put like a sheet mask over this just to bring back the moisture. Basically, that's me. Last night the event was so nice. You guys should definitely visit Savannah restaurant. It's on Upper Hill, right next to Mayfair, like the building next to Mayfair. It was so lovely. I ran into all of my friends that I haven't seen in a while, some that I've seen recently. I don't know, it was just fun catching up, hanging out, talking, listen to all these women's like amazing stories and their journeys. It was just so cool. It's so good to have like such a community where people are doing different things but also same things, you know, breaking barriers and changing the world like with every step they take and all that stuff. So that was pretty cool. Chill. Sunday is self-care Sunday. Let me know what you guys do on Sundays. I usually like wash my hair, you know, take a nice bath, just prepare myself for the coming week, do a nice face mask, although I haven't been doing that in a while, but I'm trying to get back into it slowly, inshallah. I'll probably see you guys later when I'm having iftar or when I decide to go out or something, but yeah, bye guys. So it's actually nighttime. It's currently 1 a.m. The reason why my face is so shiny is because I just did my skincare routine. That officially means I'm like headed to bed right now. Obviously there's nothing much I did today. I just did some like schoolwork, the usual. I rewatched the last episode of Game of Thrones because the final episode comes out tonight, like actually tomorrow. Okay, it's technically Monday. It's like at 4 a.m. today. So when I wake up for suhoor, I don't plan to going back to sleep because the whole season I've been watching it like throughout like Monday midday around there, like throughout the day. But this is the final episode and I don't want to see spoilers, although I kind of know how it's gonna end. Anyway, just coming on here to sign out and to thank you guys for watching this week's vlog, and I will see you guys in the morning for week 3 of Ramadan. Crazy. Bye guys, good night.